Hi guys, good morning.
Hi, morning.
আমি এতিয়া চেৰাপুঞ্জীত আছোঁ তো আমি এটা ৱাটাৰফলত যাম আজি আমাৰ লগত আছে ডক্টৰ নীলিম ডেকা দ্য ৱেল নন অৰ্থপেডিক্স ডক্টৰ তেওঁৰ লগত আমি বহুত কথা পাতিম ৰিগাৰ্ডিং ফিটনেছ আৰু আছে মোৰ লগৰ মীনাক্ষী তো আমি এতিয়া এটা ৱাটাৰফললৈ গৈ আছোঁ তাতে বহি ভালকৈ কথা পাতিম আপোনালোকক তাৰ আপডেট দি থাকিম দ্যাটছ ইট বাই চি ইউ So we reached Wei Sawdong Waterfall.
Wei Sawdong.
Wei Sawdong Waterfall. So আমি এতিয়া নামি যাম তললে এইটো ৰাস্তা 15 মিনিটৰ ট্ৰেকিং
Ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
So we are stepping down to the waterfall. The stairs are not that uneven. So sir, all are moving down. Yes, including me. We have one more friend, Mr. Kapil. He's going with some chicken. We'll have some chicken, some chips. Yes. These are the stairs.
घना जंगल सड़क वाला इसे बढ़िया আজি আমি ছাৰৰ লগত অলপ ফিটনেছৰ বিষয়ে কথা পাতিম যিহেতু তেখেতে অৰ্থপেডিক্স ইয়াতে আমি তলে নামি গৈছোঁ বহুত নি মবিলেশ্যন হৈছে তো জইণ্টৰ কিছুমান মুভমেণ্ট থাকে কিছুমান ইঞ্জুৰি থাকে তাৰ কাৰণে ফিটনেছ কিয় দৰকাৰ সেই বিষয়ে আমি জানিম ছাৰৰ পৰা তো আমি আগতে গৈ লওঁ ভালকৈ বহুত কথা পাতিম বহুত অভিজ্ঞ এই বিষয় লৈ নিজেও যেহেতু ৰাইড কৰে আৰু তেওঁ ফিটনেছৰ লগত জড়িত তেওঁ ৰেগুলাৰ এক্সাৰচাইজ কৰে জিমত তেওঁ ভালকৈ বুজাব পাৰিব আৰু এজন ৱেল নন ডক্টৰৰ পৰা এই বিষয়ে জনাটো বহুত বস্তুৰ ইম্পেক্টটো বেলেগ ধৰণৰ হ'ব তো আমি তাৰ বিষয়ে নিম তেওঁৰ পৰা গৈ থাকোঁ জংঘল দেখিছে পাম আৰু এতিয়া আপোনালোকে পানীৰ উই আৰ অলমষ্ট য়াছ পানীৰ শব্দ শুনিছে এয়া শুনক পানীৰ শব্দ এয়া চাওক আমি আহি পালোহি পানী Beautiful.
তাত যাব লাগিলে সেইফালে লাগিব লাগিব
বলক তালৈ সেইফালে যাওঁ এয়া মীনাক্ষী দাস নামি গৈ মীনাক্ষী দাস Kenny, well, you can do it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, I nearly down on this.
This is really steep, huh?
Good, good. Keep going, keep going. Hey, I'm a copil down, amigo. I thought tiffin to live like. Yeah, that's chicken or pork.
La. Did you find it?
Hello, sir.
Hi.
One of our best orthopedic surgeon in Guwahati.
No, that's true. I mean, that's too much. I'm a good orthopedic surgeon. Yeah.
If you have any kind of problems, he's the one here. And he's a friend of ours. Totally fit. As you can see. So,
I don't know. They will know because they train me. Both of them train me. Yeah.
tell us more about your fitness, about your interest.
Yeah, first of all, I'm telling you, I like riding and I like going for all these treks. Whenever I get a chance, I mean it's rare, but if I do get a chance, I always try to do it. And Vedanto and Meenakshi has always been an inspiration for me. They just always knock me before they go somewhere. Sir, would you like to go? So whenever I can, I join them. So this track was really nice. We did it and we enjoyed the track because we had that basic level of fitness. And first of all, you have to have it in your mind that you want to be fit. And for that, once you think, it's not a Herculean task to change yourself to get fitter. For all these kind of tracks, you need to have three things. One is, of course, you have to have the will to do it. You have to have an indomitable spirit to go and see the world, to do this kind of terrain. And secondly is your fitness level. In your fitness level, you need to have at least 3 things. Meenakshi, you know that you got to have a good core. The core strength has to be good when you climb up. When you climb down, your knees have to be stronger. It has to have good quadriceps tone. Your hamstrings should have a good quality of muscles so that your balance of the knee is always there. And I told you, you need to have strength. So strength, your core and your cardio fitness, all this comes together while you go for all these rough terrains of trekking and all these things. Swimming is one good exercise. Calisthenic exercises. The exercises part, Vedanta and Meenakshi are the best people to guide you. They are like awesome in all these. They have been doing this all throughout their career.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you.
they are the best in it. I can really say with a thumb on my chest that there can be no better than them in all these kinds of fitness.
Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
So for this, next we'll do some videos regarding fitness. We'll show you how to do your muscle strengthening exercises, the balancing part. For that, subscribe our channel and check what exactly we'll do to our next video. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.